girl went to the Olympics representing South Africa and she won gold medal, what would you guys be saying? She's Nigerian. She must take that medal to Nigeria. Don't lie. Yeah. Don't scam. Don't lie. You would say Nigeria can also have a stake in claim. Say, our genetics are serving. But we'd also say as South Africans, you know what? We contributed to this greatness.
Yabona ke leka Peltus ngifuna ukuyikhuluma. Animlalela uthini? Uthi kubethwa le ntombazane yawina ama-Olympics. Ngabe thina siyayisupporta sayithanda ithina ama-scammers. We Peltus ungazosidakela. Yabona ugovernment uma usiphukuphuku. Uzohamba unikeza ama-Nigerians ama-citizen yala ekhaya. Igama lethu njengomzansi lizongcola umhlaba wonke ngoba bazohamba beganga bethi bangama-citizen ala.